It was the best day of my life. Yes, okay. Hey, I'm Megan Mitchell, and I'm here in the Thrive Market Test Kitchen, and today I am showing you chocolate lava cakes made in a pressure cooker. Boy, was this a doozy to make. So y'all's better make it, and you better tell me if you do, because I worked hard on this. And it's perfect for Valentine's Day. It's keto. There's absolutely no flour. I use dark cocoa powder. I use keto approved sweetener, and it's just really good. Who doesn't love a molten lava cake? It's 1996, people. It just hit the market. We're crazy for it. And if you're wondering what Thrive Market is, it's an online market that sells non-GMO and organic products straight to your door, and a lot of these ingredients in front of me, they sell to you. Let's get started on this recipe. It is made in a small food processor, or you can make it in a blender or a NutriBullet, but you just need to whip it all together. Into this baby, we're doing 2 eggs. It's best if these are at room temperature. And I have melted unsalted butter. Let this cool slightly or it'll cook your eggs. We don't want it to do that yet. Heavy cream. It's only about 2 tablespoons, and this makes 2. Two. Dark cocoa powder, extra dark cocoa powder, so it's super, super rich. 2 tablespoons of keto approved sweetener. So I will say, like I said, this was a little tricky to make. Not all pressure cookers are created equal, I found out. So this specific recipe works in an Instant Pot. You may think all pressure cookers are Instant Pots, that's the brand. So I tried it in another brand that was not an Instant Pot, and I'll put that recipe below. So it just changes with each one. So if you made this, you're like, it doesn't work out. Try this, but use an Instant Pot, or try my other recipe for a different one. So I don't know if I said, but espresso powder went in, vanilla extract, pinch of fine sea salt. I love chocolate and espresso. I just think the espresso enhances the chocolate flavor. Okay, let's blend it. Oh boy, oh boy, oh my gosh. Got it. On puree. Okay, pressure cooker. I'm gonna add 1 cup of liquid water. I'm gonna add 1 cup of ice. I'm gonna add 1 cup of water, not just any liquid. I'm gonna add 1 cup of water. So it needs a cup of water to work. You need steam in there. And then your pressure cooker should come with a trivet. So what I like to do is bend these under, place that in, and then it should come with a basket as well. So place the basket on top of the trivet. I have 2 ramekins. They should be at least 5-ounce ramekins so they don't overflow. These feel a little bigger, but that's perfect. And I've already sprayed them lightly with cooking spray. I tried a couple different cooking sprays. I tried avocado, I tried grapeseed. Canola worked. I know it was canola, but it's such a small amount, but it just made a difference of them coming out with ease. Smooth and easy. Okay. All right, that looks pretty even. Okay, you don't have to do this step because cooking these as is, they'll still be molten and ooey gooey in the center, but because I love chocolate, I'm adding some of Lily's dark chocolate. They have a bunch of different flavors and they're keto. So I'm using about 2.5. I'm using about 2.5 squares of their sea salt extra dark chocolate. So it'll be super ooey gooey in the middle. But like I said, this is not necessary. Like it'll still be gooey in the center, but who doesn't like more chocolate? Crazy people. Tuck that in the middle. Push it down. Okay. So carefully place these in the Instant Pot. They fit side by side. Add your lid. Set the valve from venting to sealing, and this is gonna cook on high pressure, normal, for 9 minutes. That's what worked for this specific machine. I can't say that enough. because on the other one, it was like 4 to 5 minutes. So for this specific machine, 9 minutes gave me the perfect ooey gooey center, but it was still set around the edges. So let's see. Okay, and once it's done, cancel, quick release. Quick release. I'm gonna just sit here and watch it. I think they worked! I can see that they're still not set fully in the middle, which is exciting. They smell like hot chocolate. Yeah, oh God, guys, this ain't my first rodeo. All right, so I have a little plate. I want to put it on top and flip it, okay? Careful, this is hot. Just stay for a second, nerd. Stay. Okay. It was so hot. Oh, baby. So you need to work quickly because the longer they sit in the ramekins, they'll continue to cook and then they won't have that ooey gooey center. So work quickly. I have fresh whipped cream. Oh, stay on there, baby. It smells insane. Okay. And then I have some powdered keto sweetener, because why not? All right. I want you to get up close and personal when I crack this baby open. Come here. Yeah. Oh, just wait a second. Put the whipped cream on so it doesn't melt off and become whatever, but I can't wait. This looks so good. How hot is this gonna burn my mouth? I can't breathe. It is so good. It is so good, you guys. It's like tender around the edges, super chocolatey and molten in the middle. It's keto, for gosh sakes. And it's made in a pressure cooker. Oh my Lord. I'm gonna wrap this up quickly because I'm gonna go eat this alone. So you guys can't watch me because this is so delicious. I hope you give this a try and you make it. Let me know if you do. You can find all the products I used at thrivemarket.com/prepschool. Happy keto lava cake cooking. Feels like the first time, but it's been the 17th time. Oh, my voice is so crazy good.